recently, I'm gonna file this under Instagram made me do this, made me buy it. Yeah, Instagram made me buy this, that I came across an ad from this brand. Now, I'm familiar with this brand. I know I've gotten samples in the past from this brand by going to, remember, beauty conventions? Yeah, I wonder when those are gonna kick in. So without further ado, this brand, which, you know, blew the skincare world several years ago with their Bum Bum cream. You know what I'm talking about, Sol de Janeiro. And they recently came out with a new product on their line, and this is their elastic cream, excuse me. This is their elastic cream, and I love the packaging already because it's pink. I don't know what the scent of this is going to be, but I can't wait. And just in time for the summer, I mean, and they do have a pay installment plan, in case you were wondering. I will post it here along with the price. Oh, they also gave me like a little sample of it as well. Let me just open it so you can see what it looks like. That's the packaging right there. It's a big jar, but I don't know how much of it gets lost to the lid. Like, is it really this much? Because, well, we'll find out anyway. Excuse my hand because I was trying makeup on there before, but that is it here. You see that? Okay, so you figure this is, so you don't lose here, which is good. That had me worried. And this is the lid to it right there, which is very nice. So I'm just gonna lift this little lid here so you can see. Oh my gosh, this is really creamy. You wanna see? Whoa. And that's how it looks inside. Yeah, I'm sure the contents shifted a little when it was, you know, being delivered, but that cream is incredible. Look at that cream. And if you're wondering, for those who are sensitive to any kind of scents or fragrances, this does have, so this may not be for you. Oh, it smells so pretty though. I'm not offended by it. That is amazing. For some reason, I thought for a moment that it would just be a really rosy, flowery overkill scent. There is a scent, but I like it. I just feel like putting it on my face. It just feels so good. But this is more like a body cream, right? I don't care. This just smells delicious. And I think it's supposed to help, like, with the appearance of your skin. This smells so good though, I don't care. I'm putting it on my face. And I probably shouldn't, but if it's safe for the body, it should be safe for the skin, right? Oh, it smells so nice. But again, if you're not into any kind of fragrances, this may not be for you. I'm just putting a little on the side there. It feels very hydrating, my gosh. Like, it does sink into the skin, but I feel the hydration. You know what I mean? Beija Flor Elasti-Cream, enriched with retinol mimicking. Interesting. Where's my glasses? That's interesting. The mimic part. It says here, enriched with retinol mimicking cacao oil and plant collagen. Fragrance. I like it. I will definitely be using this as part of my skincare routine for the spring into the summer. I mean, it's only one jar. If I like it and I have the means to have it pay in installments, I will do so again. Thank you so much, Sol de Janeiro, to providing that option for people to, if they can't pay it all at once, that they can do it in installment plans. I love it. And if you're a fan, again, of Sol de Janeiro, you may want to try it out. This is my first time actually owning a piece on my own that's full size, so I'm really excited about that. I like it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below if you have gotten a hold of their newest product from Sol de Janeiro. Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest unboxing, and I hope to see you on my next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.